Making a quick meal again. I got some plant-based cheese. I got some mango salsa, ground turkey with scallions and green peppers, pinto beans. I'm going to use this sauce. And I put some no-carb inside of the oven. And I want to sit down and eat because I'm tired. That's why they make a full-fledged tutorial or anything like that, or just a demonstration, because just about everybody makes tacos. So I am just chopping this up. I'm going to put the sausage now with brown. What I like about ground turkey is that you don't have to drain anything. I put a little olive oil and butter in there, and that's it. Turn this down low, it's making a mess on the stove, and I'm just going to pour this sauce all over it. I had the powder kind, but I remember trying the liquid kind before, years ago. So I said, let me try this again. Don't have to add any water, it's already in there. I'm turning it down low. And I'm just going to gently, because really I should have had a bigger pot. Mix this up. Of course, I'm trying to do it in one hand. But I like cooking things in a cast iron skillet, because I just like the texture of food when you cook in a cast iron skillet, and I like the way it cooks, and I like the way it browns. So this is a sloppy way, but this is not a demonstration. This is just me showing you what I'm eating tonight. For dinner, it's like the one-pot meals except for the beans on the side. The spinach is going to be on there. That's going to be my vegetables. And this looks good already. Everything is covered. I'm going to make these fry. I'm actually going to turn off the stove because I had it heating up. So the warmth will take care of those. They're very thin tacos. Actually, they're tortillas. But anyway. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to take one of these. But I'm going to have two of them, actually. Why does that sound like my phone is in my hand. I'm like, that sounds like my phone ringing. Crazy. Let me bring it over here. Because I want to put some spinach. Everything is turned off. Everything is turned off. Praise the Lord. I want to get some spinach. I want to add some meat to it. And then the beans I'm going to put on the side. I'm going to add some. Only thing missing is I didn't get any sour cream. I was looking for the plant-based like I had before. I didn't feel good. I got tired and gave up. But I'm going to put some of this plant-based cheddar cheese. And I'm going to put some of the mango salsa. And I'm going to take some avocado mash, aka guac. Okay, I had to open it up with both my hands and kind of stir it up so I can put some on my tacos. So that's one. I can actually put the other one in the refrigerator. And this is a pretty good brand. Yeah, Good Foods. I like that. And it's with sea salt and black pepper. I'm going to drink my kombucha orange mango and turmeric drink. I'm going to put some beans in here. That's what I'm going to do. I actually like to pour a little bit of the juice. And all I didn't have juice in it already because I just got the canned one this time. Today was a quick meal. but I added a little butter in it. And I added some cilantro seasoning and some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper. And I didn't put any sea salt, but it really doesn't need that. And that is dinner tonight. And that's it.